video right here on my channel. If you're new here, I am Sonja and you're tuned into part 2 of my spring haul, the colors edition. So I promised you all in my neutrals video that I will be doing a video with spring pieces that are full of color for those who still want to incorporate those traditional spring summer pieces in their wardrobe. So if you're interested, let's get right into it. Okay, a few housekeeping rules / announcements for this video before we get into the pieces. I know y'all are gonna ask me about this robe. It is actually a swimsuit cover up / tunic from Eloquii. It's like 2 or 3 years old. They don't sell it anymore. My apologies. Second thing is, because we have so much to try on in this video, I'm going to style my pieces from Target because they're not that many, and then I'm just gonna try on the pieces that I got from Eloquii so you guys can see them, because some of those pieces are things that I'm going to be wearing to certain events, so you will get styling videos for some of them eventually. And there is a giveaway in this video. So some of my Eloquii pieces, they sent me duplicates of, and so I will be gifting those pieces to, I think, either 2 or 3 lucky winners. So stay tuned for that announcement in the video. Okay, let's get into it now, sis. So as stated, we're gonna start with our Target pieces first. And this first piece is this slip dress that's in this like olivey green color that I got in a size 3X. I saw this on a random rack in Target and I was like, ooh, I can do so many things with this. It is a little big though, which again, I ain't mad at these companies for actually making plus sizes plus. I definitely could have went with a 2X in this, but this one was literally the last one on the rack, so I just got it. It does have adjustable straps. I also realized that my bra is way too just thick for this dress, so I would put on a little bit of different undergarments. It does have a split on the side, which again, my shapewear is showing. But overall, I like it. I would just change my undergarments for it. And I believe that this is something that you can style in a plethora of different ways. So this is how I styled it. I actually just put a button-down top on top of it and tied that up. I put on my Walmart shoes that you guys saw in the first haul and just some accessories. Our second piece is this cranberry vest that I got. I did try this on in the store in an extra large or whatever size that they had available in the store, and it was too small, so I was able to go on the app and order it online in a 3X. I find that with Target, if you're still shopping there, which is completely your business, you can get larger sizes online than you can in the store, and I actually love the top. I love the color. I have a lot of these vests in more neutral colors, so I was excited to get one in an actual spring color. This one is a little bit big in the waist like the ones I got from Walmart, but I talked to you all about my waist cinchers. I have some for tops as well, so I will link those below in the description box. And I just paired these with some champagne shorts. I actually have had these in my closet for a while. These shorts are from Forever 21. I unfortunately won't be able to link them for you because if you haven't heard, Forever 21 is closing down a lot of their stores, and they're not carrying a lot of plus size pieces, but this is how I styled this outfit for this video. This next piece I love. This is from the Target Future Collective line. It is this green and white striped skirt with a black waistband. I got it in a size 3X. Now I will say the waistband is pretty tight. Even though the skirt fits, it does have a slip up under the skirt as well that's built in. But the waistband is it don't have a lot of stretch. So I'm pulling this up over my hips to get it on my waist, but I just paired it with this Eloquii top that I've had in my closet for a minute. You guys should recognize it, but I wanted you guys to see, like, it has stretch, but it is like, baby, it's on my waist. Okay, the skirt doesn't have any pockets, but that's okay. I absolutely love this pattern, and the white part is not like a stark white. It is a little bit of like a off-white, and this is more of a like cotton, like light linen blend on this skirt. Absolutely love it. Okay, let's take a little detour from the clothes and talk about the shoes. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I get a lot of my shoes year round from Target, and this spring they had some cute shoes. Do y'all see these slides? I've actually been looking for a studded pair of slides, moccasins, mules, whatever you want to call them, like this for a long time, and Target had these in their spring collection. Again, I ordered these online because they had ran out of my size in the store, but this is like a perfect slip on and go shoe that still has style. I've already worn these to work a few times and gotten a lot of compliments on these, and I can't wait to wear them with a little pair of jeans because I think they would be cute. Then the next pair of sandals that I got are these ones from Target. I love the taupey kind of muted tannish color, and these are just the cutest little sandals to just kind of throw on with anything. I love the gold belt buckle accent. I believe you can adjust those gold buckles to fit your foot better. I've just been slipping them right on and pulling the strap over the back of my foot, but again, super cute, something that you can easily style for the spring and summer. Now, the mesh slash net ballet flats are still trending for this spring and summer, so I did pick up this cognac pair from Target. These are more of like a firm material. They're not like a fishnet material like my black ones, but still super cute. And I didn't think I would like the strap over my foot like that, but I actually think it's really cute. And y'all, don't mind Ozzy, he's gonna be cameoing through this entire video. But yeah, these are a few of the shoes that I have picked up for the spring and summer, so let's get back into the clothing pieces. Our last clothing piece from Target is this matching set from Target's Comfort line. So they have a comfort line that has like skirts, shorts, sweatshirts, this little top like this that is in this really soft cottony slash scuba material. And when I say it's soft, sis, it's real soft. There's nothing spectacular about this two-piece set, except I just really like the way it felt on my skin. And I love the color. As you can see, the skirt has a split in the back. And again, I think this is something that I can wear to work comfortably and still have a professional look. So I wanted to pick this up. I'm excited to get into these Eloquii pieces because there are a lot of them, and this is going to be the most colorful section. So thank you so much, Eloquii, for gifting me some pieces for this video. I got this faux leather top in a size 24, and I am obsessed. It is so nice. It's meant to be worn over top of whatever bottoms that you're wearing because of the ruching of the top. So I just popped it on with the Target skirt really quick just so you could see it on its own. But it does have a matching skirt. This is a faux leather wrap skirt. Eloquii actually has this skirt in a lot of colors. It is a popular skirt on their site. I did leave the faux leather top untucked on this. But I did wear this for a photo shoot with me and my best friend, and I had it tucked in so that it looked more like a dress, and I actually really liked it. Now y'all know y'all know when something go up behind me. I can't do it myself, okay? But it does actually fit a lot better than this from the back. Here is a little sneak peek from our photo shoot, and as you can see, we both have on the same skirt, but just two different tops. And so I'm actually trying on the top that my best friend had on in the photo shoot. Eloquii sent her 2 of those tops, and she is a size 14/16. So I squeezed myself in this size 14 top. I ain't even gonna hold you. And low key, I ain't mad at it, okay? This silky top has a little bit of extra fabric at the top for the draping, and it fit pretty alright, so I'm gonna keep it for myself. I love the classiness of this look with the skirt. I actually like the silk top with the skirt a little bit better than the faux leather top, but I love the faux leather top on its own as well. Next is this beautiful maxi dress that Eloquii sent me. I think this dress is absolutely stunning. I love a good stripe, and this is more of a neutral piece, but I wanted to include it in this video because how could you not? I love the off the shoulder aspect to it, and then the asymmetrical print down at the bottom of the skirt is just absolutely stunning. This is perfect for spring. I'm actually gonna wear this dress on Easter, so you're getting a sneak peek of my Easter outfit, and I hope to put up a styling video for this dress. But yeah, I got this in a size 24. It fits perfect on me and gives me enough room to kind of be flexible, and I think this dress is absolutely stunning and elegant.
Yeah, man. Job boy, mad Fred. Mad Fred. Mad Fred. Mad Fred. Mad Fred.
This next set, yeah, y'all can see I'm excited about it. Absolutely gorgeous. This chartreuse sequence set, excuse me? Yeah, this is perfect for the spring. I absolutely love this because as I get close to the camera, I don't know if you guys can see, but this is actually like a lace print with sequins. So it's really pretty in person. The top is a wrap top, and I love the fact that they gave you like 2 strings on both sides to make sure it covered up your bust. Here it is from the back, and as you guys can see, it does have a split in the front. It does zip up the back. I love showing you it in this lighting so you can see how vibrant it is. This is absolutely stunning. I don't know where I'm gonna wear this to, but I'm gonna wear it somewhere. And as you know, a good 2-piece set, you can split this up and do something different with the skirt and the top. I believe both of these pieces are in a size 24. Just stunning. Eloquii did a chef's kiss with this set. Is our second to last piece, and this dress is so fun. Now I have to admit, this is not something that I would normally like pick out for myself, but I wanted to try it because I have a party that I'm going to later in the year that I've been kind of scoping out dresses for, and this definitely gives a party. It definitely does give like put on a little strappy heel and you're at some sort of rooftop situation. I think it's cute. It's a size 24. It does have a little keyhole tie in the back that you can tie up. It is a mini dress, but it's not too short, and I feel like I could like belt it or have some sort of chain on with it to kind of cinch the waist even more. Leave me a comment below to let me know how you feel about the dress. I think it's cute. I don't know if it's the dress for the event that I'm going to later this year, but I did want to try it out for myself. Okay, beauties, this is our last piece in the haul, and this dress definitely gives old money with a pop of color. And yes, this is a dress, so it is this peplum polka dot dress that's in this beautiful cherry red color with the square neckline, which I love. The neckline is a little big for me, like it's a little big in the neck and in the shoulder, but other than that, I absolutely love the dress. You can see how the peplum sits on my waist. It does zip up the back. The buttons don't open, they are sewn on to the dress, and there are no pockets, but it's the cutest little mini dress. And I feel like with a little bit of tailoring, a little nipping and tucking in a few places, this dress is gonna fit me absolutely perfect. This is the type of dress that you want to put on with a little pump, your little cigarette sunglasses, and a bag, just like I did right here in this example. You can see how my bra is sticking out the top a little bit more than I would like. So again, a little tailoring with this is going to go a long way, but absolutely love this last piece. Okay, beauties, as promised, there is a giveaway in this video. So if you stay towards the end, shout out to you, because now you get a chance to win some free clothes. Okay? So I have a few pair of the Eloquii items that they sent me duplicates of. And so instead of selling them on Poshmark or doing a closet sale with them, I wanted to just give them away because I haven't done a giveaway on my channel in a very long time. So I am gonna go through the pieces that you will win. And here is how you enter into the giveaway. Listen up, okay? In order to be entered into the giveaway, all you have to do is, of course, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment below with your name, your email address, the email that you actually check on a regular basis, okay? Your email address, which one of the items that you want to win, okay? And that's it. That's it. First item that I'm giving away is this sealed, y'all see it's still in the package, never been worn, never opened, tan and striped dress. So this is a dress that I tried on in the video. I told you guys that I'm going to be wearing this for Easter. So if you want to match me, I'm hoping I can get it to you by Easter. Make sure you follow the giveaway instructions. This dress is a size 24. Size 24. It is the same size that I am actually wearing in the video. So this is the first piece. The second winner will get this as a set, okay? So this is the blue faux leather skirt with the blue faux leather tube top that I had on in this video. Both of these are also a size 24, which is the size that I had on in this video. And then this one is that skirt again, but it's in a size 16. So this was supposed to be my best friend's. They also sent her 2 of these. And so it's never been worn. Tag is still on it. We just took it out the pack because this is when we realized that they sent us 2 of everything. So this is the duplicate skirt that she would wear in her size. The same skirt that I had on in this video, but it is in a size 16. So if you want to win the size 16 skirt, then enter into the giveaway. There are going to be 3 winners in this video. Somebody is going to win the tan and white striped dress. Someone is going to win the faux leather skirt and tube top in a size 24. And then someone is going to win the faux leather skirt in a size 16. If you want to win, enter into the giveaway. I am in a giving mood. I'm giving things away. Enter. If y'all don't enter, then I'm just going to have to put them on Poshmark or something. Anyway. Let's roll the exit of this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.